Hi my friends, Sam Villa here. Today I want to talk to you about the size of sections when we're working with a curling iron. Does it matter? Or is it about the size of the barrel that matters? Well, actually my friends, they both matter, size of barrel and size of section. Yet sometimes you have only one barrel to use. Let's say it's a 1-inch. I personally believe that with a 1-inch barrel, you could have so many options and so many styles that you can create simply with a 1-inch barrel. But it's all based upon the size of the section. So let's take a look. Let's take some sections that are vertical. The first section I'm going to take is going to be a 2-inch vertical section. So we're going to go 2 inches wide. And we're going to go about, actually we're going to go, let's go 2 inches down and about 1 inch wide. That's a big section. All right, now we're going to come in with the 2-in-1 Marcel iron and wand. Okay, we're going to work with the wand. We're working with Redken Iron Shape 11. Combing our product through. Now coming in with the iron, and we're just going to do a flat wrap on the wand. Notice how I push that hair up, keeping it flat. Now, when wrapping with an iron, in most cases, we find ourselves wrapping the base first, working out to the ends. Why? The ends are older, meaning that there's some damage. They will curl much quicker than the base will. So you need some time on the base, so start at the base. Now, does that happen all the time? No, just depends what you're going to be making in terms of the end result. Now, we've counted to 10, we release. Now, let's just let that just collapse, but allow it to cool. If I just let that collapse, it's going to start to cool in a collapsed fashion. Let's back up, and let's clip this while we go and show you on a small section now. So now let's take a small section. Notice how thin this section is compared to the width of the last section. We're going to go the same length down. So I'm taking to the same, but notice now this section is more narrow. This one is our big section. Once again, product is not an option, it is a necessity. So we're talking about size of sections. Small section, same wrap, flat wrap. And notice how I move that hair to the bottom of the iron, and I work out to the tip of the iron. Not overlapping hair as we wrap, so we get even distribution of heat. Counting to 10, in this particular case. And now releasing and allowing this particular section to cool while we take a look at our large section. Same length of section, the width of the section, large compared to small. Let's take a look at the curl. Barrel of the iron, a 1-inch. Barrel didn't change. Let's take this out of the way so you can see how that curl is going to have some spring to it when we release it, and you can see the difference. So let's take our large section first and release that. Now let's take our small section and let's release that one. And you can see the difference in terms of the spring and what we're getting. So now when I look at this section, look at the amount of bounce that I have compared to this one. Look at the spacing in there compared to here in terms of what I'm getting. So now if I just pull, watch how that one has more spring and more action to it. So size of section makes a difference. With a 1-inch barrel, you can have so many options in terms of the type of curl patterns you can create, but think about the size of section that you're working with. Thanks for watching, and once again, Sam Villa with education just for you behind the chair.